Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to delete our resume from Indeed. So guys, if you don't want to keep your resume on Indeed, then how will you delete your resume from Indeed? So first of all, you have to click on your profile icon. Just go to your profile, and once you reach to your profile, then you will see this type of surface on your screen, and you have to click on Indeed resume. Just simply click on it, and once it open, then you will see the three dotted button over the screen, and you have to click on it, then and scroll down, and here you will see delete button. You have to click on it, and the pop-up will appear on your screen, and here you have to give the permission to delete your resume from here, and just simply click on delete. Once you click on delete, then your resume will be deleted from Indeed. So guys, this is how to delete resume from Indeed. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.